Hello friends, my name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video we're going to cast off my bill binder and my daily wallet. For my bi-weekly paycheck budget, I show you guys how I set up my bill binder, how I set up my bill expenses, which is the same as fixed expenses, and I also set up how I do my bills, my variable expenses, which is the same as my daily expenses. And I do have a cash wallet for those, so I do cast off at every paycheck. I set it up and I cast off. So today, keep watching. Hi, hello. Thanks for watching me today. If you are new here on this channel, we talk about cast off and sinking funds, savings challenge, and student loan debt that I'm paying. So thank you for checking my channel out. I really appreciate everybody, especially my new subscribers. Thank you. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. For today's video, as you can see, we're going to cast off my bill binder and my daily binder. So before I get started, let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1100. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. So 1050. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 400. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then I have $5. So I'm going to cast off $2,725 into my both wallet. So let me put a calculator on the side, and I have the money here. Loving it. You guys see that? Yes. Let's put it here. And let me start with my bill binder. For those of you who have been following me for a long time, you know this is my bill binder. This is the wallet in my shop, and I still do have some in my shop as well. So for this paycheck, the bills that is going in here, definitely mortgage. Every paycheck I cast off my mortgage because I do a split bill. I divide them for the paychecks. So the mortgage is getting $1,200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 12. And this is my first paycheck in September. So that get the first one. The next one is my debt. My debts get $200. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to show my update today for my debt. It's my student loan. That's the only debt that we have. My next one is my higher savings account, which gets $50. I'll come back to all these. So 50 goes here. Then I have my internet and subscriptions. That one was here. There you go. Internet get $20. My internet is being paid mostly by my husband, but I do put it in, then I'll give it to him. Then subscription as well, he takes care of it. But he's trying to tell me that I should just keep the money. At times my instinct is like, you have to get the money. Okay, I usually get money from my sister who is back home I'm taking care of. So that one normally go into my miscellaneous, and that one get $50 every month. Then I have my car insurance. Where's car insurance? Car insurance get $310. 1, 2, 3. Then $10. Then my investment gets $75. I do buy some stocks, single stocks, every paycheck. And that one is $75. Okay, so that's all for my bill binder. As you can see, very simple and easy when you set up your budget. Okay, now let's go ahead and do my daily wallet. For my daily wallet, normally I'll empty it. You see I have a lot of receipts. My receipts are going into my fetch. So I'll take all the receipt out. I'll leave my fetch link in the screen in case somebody want to check it out. So that one is being put in on the side to put it on fetch. Fetch is the app that when you take pictures of your receipt, you get gift card for those as well. Okay, so for this wallet, I do have it in my shop, and if you buy it, I give you the chain as well, and the wallet for my bill binder as well. I have the A6 and the A7. Okay, for my personal, get $20. Blessing, get $20. Grocery, get $300. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Guys, get $50. Sam's Club and Costco, get $100. 2, 3, 4, 5. Flashes are $30. That one get $10. And like I said, now I have 2 turtles, Flash and Lucky. Date 9 get $20. Eating out get 20. Local store get $50. Clothing is not getting anything. I'll roll it over. Nails get 20. Hair get 20. Miscellaneous get 20. Okay, so that's all for my daily wallet, and As you can see, some of the money is left that is going to go to my sinking fund. So I do have this that will go into my sinking fund. Yes, so that's how I cast off my daily wallet and my bill binder. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.